Tax refunds are amazing, but only if you avoid these 5 things. Coming up next. Hi friends, I'm Yesenia. If you're new to our channel, we're WealthFit, and we want to help you lead a life of true wealth. We're going to do that today by helping you not waste your tax refund. If you aren't sure what to do with your money, this is taking into account that you already have an emergency fund in an easy-to-access checking or savings account. You might put it in a bank account and not think about it further. This might be a bad idea. Here's 2 reasons why we think so. You're earning no interest on that money. Even if it's in a savings account, you're still getting a ridiculously small amount of interest. Because you may not need that money in the near future, it's a better idea to put it somewhere where you can get a real return. Think investing. Money sitting in an easily accessible checking account has a sneaky way of being spent. Don't spend that extra money slowly until you realize it is all gone a few months later. By investing it, you can make sure that your money is working for you and you won't be tempted to spend it. If you're wondering what to do with the tax refund, here's what not to do. Blow it on a shopping spree. I know, it's tempting to treat yourself. You've worked so hard, you deserve it, right? Well, what you actually deserve is financial freedom and a life of true wealth. Think an abundance of time, money, and influence. Rather than blowing your money on an afternoon shopping spree at the mall that, quite frankly, will only give you a short dopamine rush, why not put it towards investing in something that will actually build long-lasting wealth? If you really want to treat yourself, you could set aside just a small percentage of the money to buy yourself something that you've been eyeing. It's okay. But then make sure that you make a smart decision with the rest of the money. So there's nothing wrong with buying a car that you need, but using your refund as a down payment to buy a car you can't afford with your typical income is a terrible idea. That will wind up being in a huge money pit later on. Just say no to that luxury car and buy something that actually fits your wallet that's going to get you from A to B. Your financial future will thank you. Do not waste your money on the lottery. Sure, a tax refund feels like free money, so why not double down on your luck and see if you can make more by playing the lottery or gambling? Let's be honest, the odds are stacked against you. With most lotteries, the odds of you winning are 1 in 13,983,816. With the lottery, you're essentially giving away your money. Except for this time, it isn't even for a charitable cause that you can receive a tax break from. So do yourself a favor and stay away from this wasteful spending habit. I know, your kids are super cute and they're probably really sweet and in desperate need of something, such as a new bicycle or some crap toys that they won't remember soon. Probably. If they're older, maybe it's a new phone or a new car that they're probably gonna destroy, let's be honest. While sometimes it feels great to splurge a little on your babies and be their favorite person for that day, don't do it. Don't use your tax refund as an excuse to buy them all the things that they want, things that they depreciate over time, and things that they will not appreciate over time. A much better idea would be to invest that money for them and help them kickstart their financial future. While getting a tax refund may welcome a surprise during tax season, don't let it become something that you rely on financially. If you rack up credit card debt or buy things throughout the year that you cannot afford because you expect a tax refund to be coming your way, you are setting yourself up for financial struggle and stress if you don't receive it. The bottom line of what to do with the tax refund is this. Treat a tax refund as an unexpected opportunity to make an investment that will pay off for years to come. If you get any value out of this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to not miss out on anything we have going on. See you in the next video. Don't use your tax refund Don't use your tax refund. Oh my gosh, I can't say that word. Terrible. Who's sneezing over there?
I don't know what.
What is happening?